Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In today's lesson we are going to write the actual code that does the doubling of the text. So in order to do that, we are going to create a helper class. Alright, so in the project view here on the left, you go to the Java drop down. Now as part of the Java drop down, we are going to expand the main activity package. Okay, and now within this main activity package, we're going to create a new class. So I come here and I right click and I say new Java class. We're going to call it my worker. Okay, so it's going to be a public class. Okay, so I'm going to say accept all the defaults. Say okay. Now my public class is going to have one method, and this method is going to be public static int. Okay, so let's call public static int. We're going to call this double the value. So double the value, it's one word. Now double the value is going to accept one parameter, a value, which is an integer. Okay, now double the value is going to return value multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is our helper class, and we will see in our next class. Thank you. Bye.